In this video I'm going to show you how to save videos from Google Drive to your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, make sure that you have Google Drive application installed. To install that application, just open up App Store, search for Google Drive, and then install that application. If you have that app installed, of course you need to skip that step, and then you are able to use your Google Drive storage. Just open up Drive application. Here are all your files, and to find the file you want to save, first tap on that files icon, and here you can sort these files by name, by last modified by me, last opened by me, and by file size. Option calls storage used. I can tap that, for example, and now I see my files sorted by storage used. My video file is on the first place, but if you can't find your file by such way, just use search in Drive, tap here, put in some request, and then tap search to find the file you want to save. Once you find that file, just tap on that three dots icon beside the file name, and here select send a copy, and there scroll up for a bit and then tap on save video to save that video to your device. Now this file is preparing to export. It takes some time, maybe some couple of seconds or couple of minutes, and when it's done, just save this file to your device. You need to wait because now the file is downloading to that device. So I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.